Q8609. Which of the following causes of aircraft magnetic compass inaccuracies may be compensated for by mechanics? A. Deviation. B. Magnetic compass current. C. Variation. The correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. Deviation. Deviation is a magnetic compass inaccuracy caused by the aircraft's magnetic fields, and it can be compensated for by mechanics through the installation of deviation compensating magnets. 8610. Who is authorized to repair an aircraft instrument? A. A certified mechanic with an airframe rating. B. A certificated airframe repair station. C. A certificated repair station approved for that class instrument. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. A certificated repair station approved for that class instrument. Repairing aircraft instruments requires specialized expertise and approvals, which are obtained by certificated repair stations approved for the specific class of instrument. 8610-1. A certificated mechanic with at least an airframe rating may perform A. Minor internal repairs to aircraft instruments. B. Major repairs to aircraft instruments. C. Inspections and function checks on aircraft instruments. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Inspections and function checks on aircraft instruments. A certificated mechanic with at least an airframe rating is authorized to perform inspections and function checks on aircraft instruments as part of their maintenance duties. 8611. What does a reciprocating engine manifold pressure gauge indicate when the engine is not operating? A. Zero pressure. B. The differential between the manifold pressure and the atmospheric pressure. C. The existing atmospheric pressure. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. The existing atmospheric pressure. When a reciprocating engine is not operating, the manifold pressure gauge indicates the existing atmospheric pressure. 8612. The requirements for testing and inspection of instrument static pressure systems required by 14 CFR S91.411 are contained in A. Type certificate data sheets. B. AC 43.13-14. C. Part 43, Appendix C. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. AC 43.13-14. The requirements for testing and inspection of instrument static pressure systems, as specified in 14 CFR S91.411, are contained in Advisory Circular AC 43.13-14. AC 43.13-14 provides guidance and procedures for the inspection, testing, and maintenance of aircraft instruments and instrument systems, including the static pressure system.